brought a little presentation to tell you a little bit about myself and about some of the art that I...
Here at RMA, the 6th grade art students from last year had the opportunity to walk on paper to help the artist Mr. Mike Solomon show the historical pathways of mankind walking on foot through the Wayfarer Art Installation.
Wayfarer is a project that I've been working on for about 5 years. Originally it was inspired by the refugee crisis at the border, but then it started me thinking about the history of mankind traveling on foot.
I was really excited about the opportunity to work with an artist that is well-renowned, and I'm really excited that students got the opportunity to actually create it.
The reason that I'm doing it here with Roulette is because I met at a museum and I was talking about the project and I was about ready to start looking for people to help me, and they said, well, we have this school and it's all about the arts. I said, would you like to do it? And they were like, yeah.
I felt really excited when I first heard about it because it was like this super famous artist coming to our school.
So it's all about the pathways in life. So different people's paths, different people walk a different path, and just in life, just like in life, we make mistakes and we slip a little, and that's beautiful, and it adds to the beauty of the artwork.
Well, he had two pieces. So one of them, it had a bunch of colored footprints and it was like a party.
I feel like the colorful one was to show how people could be so different in their life. And the neutralish one was all these people that had to walk over, and it was days and days of walking barefoot. It was very hard for them.
So when I was first told about Wayfarer, I was excited because it's not an intimidation of creating. You're not intimidated by putting your foot on a paper and doing something you do every single day, which is walking.
The paint is like slippery and it's kind of hard to walk in. In my experience, you kind of have to be held up so you don't fall over.
He came and set up these long strips of plastic paper, and he had us step in different paints, and we started walking on it. Once the paint started drying a little bit, then he'd either keep it like that to show people fading, or he would add more to show their ups in life. It felt really weird because the paint was so cold.
I think it'll be really cool for students to look back on this, and maybe even students that didn't get to actually step in paint, to remember this artist and all the people that were on our campus doing these things and getting our art out into the community and to the world. I thought that was really beautiful, and the entire idea of these pathways of our lives, I think it's a beautiful message, and I'm excited that my students got the chance to do it. I'm excited to go see it at the exhibit.
The Wayfarer Art Installation will be exhibited at the Barry Campbell Gallery in Chelsea, New York, from September 8th to October 28th. This has been Sophia with RMA Today.